Dear friends, welcome to Art for Life channel. Today, let's learn how to draw a tree. Hope this tutorial will be useful for beginners and students. Before we move on, please subscribe the channel and support us. Let's start by drawing a big cloud. Make sure you draw it very lightly. Now draw the wood of the tree like a line skeleton. All of us love to draw straight line humans, right? The basic shape of the tree is ready now. Imagine the skeleton is at the middle of the tree. And draw the outer lines and complete the tree shape. Since the outline of the tree is ready, erase the skeleton lines. Tree's outline is ready now. Before we move further, I would like to suggest one thing to all the young artists. We are learning one method to draw the tree in this tutorial. I request all the young artists to finish watching this tutorial and draw along with me. After watching this video, watch these two tutorials also. These tutorials gives you other interesting methods to draw the tree. In first video, you can learn to draw using cotton buds, which is a fun activity. The second video gives a more detailed method to draw a tree more realistically using crayons. These two videos will show at the end of this video. You can just click it and watch them. Okay, now draw the outline with more details. I am drawing it with sketch pen so that it will be clearly visible. You can draw with pencils. Draw the tree leaves with small bubbles. Draw few W's like waves at the bottom of the leaves. This will give a 3D look to the leaves. Now draw the wood and maybe give some details. For coloring, let's use a very low-cost student's watercolor cakes. This is Dom's watercolor. Top of the leaves, we will give light green. Try not to paint with horizontal or vertical strokes. Paint like small circles or bubbles, this will give better texture for leaves. For the bottom part of the leaves, give dark green color. For the wood as usual give light brown color. Let's give light brown color on the right side. For dark brown, mix little blue color to the brown and paint it on the left side of the tree. We will finish it up with few final touches. Hope everyone liked this tutorial. Please subscribe the channel for more art tutorials. You can click on the two video links shown here and learn more about drawing trees. Thanks for watching. Bye.